Meaning of hot tub.
Hot tub.
Hot tub.
Hot tub.
Hot tub. A hot tub is a large, usually round or square container filled with hot water used for relaxation, hydrotherapy, or simply for enjoyment. It can be made of wood, acrylic, or other materials, and often has built-in jets for massage purposes. The water temperature in a hot tub typically ranges from 100 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot tubs are popular in both residential and commercial settings, such as hotels and spas. They provide a soothing and therapeutic experience for users, promoting relaxation, stress relief, and improved circulation.